What is your name?
My name is Mark Salas.
And are you standing in front of a court building?
I am standing in front of CCB,
What is CCB?
Criminal Court Building.
And have you been here before to this building?
Yes, I had a case here before.
You had a criminal case here before?
Yes, a criminal case.
And what were the charges in that case?
I was fighting right here in front of this court building, murder.
You were fighting a murder case?
Yes,
Okay, and who is your attorney in that case?
Robert.
Robert who? Robert Haberer.
Haber. I can't pronounce it right.
Who is the attorney in that case?
Robert Haber.
Robert Haber. And how many times did you go to trial in that case?
I went to trial on my murder case twice.
What happened the first time?
A hung jury, 11-1,
11-1 for what?
for murder.
Okay. And on the second time, who is your attorney in the second case?
Mr. Robert Haber.
And
I'm sorry.
that's okay. Who is the attorney in this? The attorney in the second case? You say it like that.
My attorney in the second case was Mr. Robert Haber.
And what happened on that second case?
I got an all 12 not guilty. I walked home free.
And what were you facing as a penalty for that case?
First degree murder I was facing.
And what was the potential penalty that you were facing? Like life in prison, perhaps?
Yes, it was life in prison. I was facing life in prison without parole.
Okay. Describe the how Robert Haber handled your case.
Mr. Robert Haber took care of my case very well. Was very straight up of what could happen, what not could happen.
How do you consider he affected your case on that second trial?
He brought in a good gang expert and his assistants as well. They did a good job.
And how about the closing argument? How did he do on that?
Closing arguments were very well. He was very outspoken, very straight up of how the situation was.
How did you describe your feelings when the jury read the verdict of not guilty?
When the jurors read the verdict of not guilty, it was a joy of happiness.
Were you worried that you could lose the case?
As of me losing my case, yes, there's a 50-50 chance in this game. But if you have the right attorney and the right people by your side willing to help you, things will come out well.
And so you went from facing life in prison to getting your life back. Is that?
Yes, I went from life in prison to coming home.
Okay. And are you back with your family?
I am also back with my family and living the American dream.
Do you have any children?
I have 4 children.
Are any of them here right now?
I have